Okay, so that was the Katya. I hope that was a good experience. A lot of people really like doing those because it's like we get a whole kind of grammar lesson or word lesson in a very short time every Monday. So, but having said that, today is also a day we're going to focus on grammar. We're going to focus on how do we make good sentences and what are the names for all those words we use. It's not important that you know the names or that you remember what a verb or a noun or all that is, but it's important to have that background knowledge so that when I go through your work and say, oh, you see here, you're missing the verb, then you kind of, oh yeah, now you remember what a verb is, and that kind of stuff. So, for all of you out there and for all of you here, I want you to take your packets. I'm about to give you your packet. And I want you to put the packet with writing assignment number 3. Okay, so this is going to go with writing assignment number 3. Put it in your binder there, click it in, and then that way we can go page by page through, and I can explain to you what's going to happen for each of the pages. Yep, that's right. Yep, convey your ideas, feelings, and experiences. So we're actually going to be spending 2 weeks on this assignment. If you look at your assignment package, what do you notice right underneath? It says, writing assignment 3, convey your ideas, feelings, and experiences, and underneath it says, can you look? Part 1. Yeah. So this is part 1. We're going to talk a lot about how do we, after we've done our writing, how do we now kind of edit it, kind of like what we did with Katya's. So this is part 1. We're going to continue with this assignment next week. All right, so you're going to be writing a draft of this assignment this week, but we're not going to finish it. Okay? So the first thing, if you're looking at your checklist of your, on the top of your packet, yep. So what I would say, Albert, is, oh, sorry, put it in here, like this, just for now. Yeah, and then that way when we're going through it then you'll know where we're at. So we're going to start with that page. All right, so starting with your checklist, it says, the first thing it says is watch the Together lesson on YouTube for Katya. You just did that, all of you in here, so give yourself a check mark. You were here doing that. So if you're at home, you've hopefully already watched that first video as well. Now, watch the stage 2 lesson on YouTube. If you're here in the room, give yourself a check mark, because you're doing that right now. Okay? Then we're going to do a brief review of pre-writing, and that's when I'm going to turn off the video for a little bit. You guys are going to brainstorm everything you remember about last week's assignment and about pre-writing, and then you guys are going to do the same at home. This video is going to stop and you're going to write down everything you can remember, and then we're going to come back and share.